Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security and navigating to Firewall and Network Protection. This puts you in the right control panel. Once there, check which network profile is active and confirm you're signed in as an administrator so changes stick. Make a restore point before altering rules. It's quick and reverses mistakes. You'll need the basic settings visible to proceed. Don't skip confirming active profile and admin status, because those determine which rules you can update. You'll now open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security to edit inbound and outbound rules. This is where granular control happens. Once inside, create or modify a rule, choose program for app-based control or port for specific services, then set protocol and port numbers. Make sure to define IP ranges or scope if you need segmentation, and set the action to allow or block depending on intent. Save and name the rule clearly so you can identify it later when auditing. You finish by enabling the new rules and verifying they target the correct profiles, domain, private, or public, so you don't unintentionally expose a network. Once done, test the affected applications or ports and watch Event Viewer and Windows security logs for denied connections to confirm behavior. If something breaks, disable the recent rule or revert to your restore point, then retest to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting step is the fastest way to recover without losing other configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.